Alright guys, if you have been keeping up with this build, you know we've done big turbo and everything to make this thing handle on the track just how we want it. Today we're going to be adding some more flair to the butt of this car by adding Maxton's rear cup lip on the hatchback and making the wing stand out. But first let's take care of this dirty car and we'll get started. Alright, here's the duct build that we got to make this booty pop a little more. It's made from Maxton Designs here in the US, and this thing is super cool. It's just 3M sticky taped on. It's not super heavy, it's super light plastic, but you can see kind of the look that it's going to give your car. It's nice and contoured to the curve of the wing, and in the inside of the packaging it's all nicely wrapped so you don't scratch it, and then it also comes with an alcohol wipe to prep the surface before you lay your sticky down for good. That's what it looks like. Alright, so here's our little baggie. You can see it comes with a sticker, your alcohol wipes behind it, and your surface prep, and then the directions. Kind of know how it goes already. So, wipe it down. Alright, now you can feel that the surface is nice and dry because of the alcohol wipe. It's from 3M, so that's nice. We got 3M double-sided tape. So now I'm going to pull back a little bit on the edge just so it's hanging out so I can tack it on, and then I'll rip it out once I have it placed on how I want it. So what I did is I lined up their Maxton logo right on the back of the taillight, right there. So it's centered. Alright, I really think this gives the ST the perfect amount of flair for the rear. Now I could have went with another design, but I didn't want to have to drill or raise the wing that's already there. I just wanted to add a little bit of spice to this goodness right here, and this thing looks beautiful. It just fits the personality of the car so well. Don't worry, these are coming off now. I want it to all flow, but I'm going to do some more aluminum side skirts next, and maybe an aluminum diffuser, but that just matches so well with this trim right here already, so it just looks like it's meant to be. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll be making more content with this car. Comment what you want to see next, whether it be side skirts, other add-ons to the car. We've pretty much got all power mods within the safe realm. So yeah, just comment what you want to see next and we'll go ahead and do it. Alright, see you guys in the next video.